Hello world, welcome to Tech Blog, and you are viewing the Server Administration series. In this video, we will install WordPress's latest version on Windows 10 with the Xampp server. Creating your WordPress website should take time. As such, having a local development environment on your computer is important. This will give you the resources of a server, within a pressure-free environment. A stack-based solution such as Xampp is a good option for you. From there, you can install WordPress in Xampp and get to work. So before starting, let's go to WordPress official site. Just open up a browser and type wordpress.org. If you are a newbie to WordPress, then you could go through this page. Well, we want to know the requirements for the latest WordPress. So click on About menu and scroll down a little bit and click on the requirement link. Yup, here you can see the host requirements. So you need PHP 7.4 or greater, MySQL 5.7 and above, or MariaDB 10.3 or above. And host should support HTTP like Apache or Nginx. Well, as of now, we find the requirements for running WordPress. Now it's time to meet the platform. And for Windows, Xampp is the most popular stack for development. Let's know what is Xampp. In a nutshell, Xampp is a local development environment tool for WordPress. It lets you install and use a number of tools and services to run the equivalent of a web server. In the case of Xampp, it's a cross-platform tool that works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The server itself is an Apache type, and you can get other types too, such as Nginx. You add a MySQL or MariaDB database to hold all of your site's information. Xampp uses the PHP interpreter to understand what to do with your site's files. Now we are going to download and install Xampp on our computer. Go to the browser and open up a tab aside and search for the Xampp download. The very first link you need to open, like apachefriends.org. Here you can see that Xampp is also available for Linux and Mac platforms. If you are a Mac or Linux user, you can easily install it. But this tutorial is for Windows users, so, in the very first section, Windows installer is available. So, I need PHP 7.4 or greater version and all. Hence I want to go for latest PHP version, which is 8.1. Let's check what includes inside it. Here you can see that all our requirements match inside it. So, I am gonna download and install this one. Open your file location and go ahead and follow the installation instruction. Here it shows a warning that if you are going to be installing your Xampp in C drive, there might missing write permission. Don't worry, either you can install it in another drive or change UAC with msconfig. Here all is okay. Yep, find it and change it to 200 megabytes for large file upload. Otherwise you will get an error while upload large file or plugins or theme etc. Well, save the file and stop the Apache service and restart again. Now click on Admin. It will open up Apache home page for admin. And if you click on Explorer button, it will open Xampp directory, and here you will find htdoc directory where you can place your new WordPress site. So, what you need to do is that, just create a directory inside it. And then open up your web browser and click on Get WordPress button, form WordPress official site. And download the latest WordPress version from there. Now open up the zip file and copy all content and paste it into your htdoc directory. Now it's time to create a database for your website. So open up Apache Web Admin Panel. Go to phpMyAdmin from dashboard. You can create separate user for your website, or you can use root account also. So if you use separate account, then click on user account. And then click on add user account. Fill all details and credentials, then check all privileges and finally click on Go button. You may use %sign for any host or set it localhost exclusively. At this point you are ready with database and user account. Now go for WordPress web install. So, open up a tab aside and type localhost followed by your WordPress website directory name and then wp-admin. Yup, here it's open up the web installer. Just choose a language and click on continue button. Now you need to configure it. So, click on Let's Go button. Now fill up the following information. Although I created separate user for me, but I am using root user as I am in my local development environment. And all your node developers loves the localhost in root. As my root account does not have any password, so I leave it to blank. And finally click on submit button. If your all setting is perfect, then you will see the following screen. So let's go and hit on run the installation. And now one more final step to complete. You have to put your site information and create WordPress admin account to control and start developing your brand new site. Well, I am giving my site name to my blog site, and you should fill this form as per yours. Set your password and confirm password. Put your admin email address. And finally click on install WordPress. And here we go, all done. Now log in your admin panel using your credentials. And here you are in WordPress admin panel. Now start develop your stunning website with WordPress. So, guys, finally we deployed WordPress in Xampp server on Windows. Hope this video is helpful to you. Do like and share this video, and hit on the subs button to get the latest update. Tech Blog is signing out for now. See you again. Thank you.